A very cheerful good morning to all of you. I am your maths teacher Nureen, and today we are going to do question number 30. As it is written in the board, a sheet of paper measures 40 centimeter, 20 centimeter, and if a sheet of 4 centimeter wide strip, you are just cut it from and around, find the area of the strip. You need to find the area of the strip cut out and the area of the remaining sheet. So here in this question you need to calculate the two things. One is the remaining area and another one is the area of the strip that you are cutting out, right? Now let's solve this. Solution of this question. For this, first of all we need to do what? We need to draw the figure of it. This figure is not given, you have to draw this figure. As we know, I am taking this ABCD is the area rectangle, and I am taking this as a A1 and the inner side is what? A2. You can take any variable ABCD, EFGH, whatever you want to take, you can take, right? Now A1 I am taking as ABCD and EFGH is the A2. As it is given in the question, the length and breadth of the rectangle, the outer side rectangle value is also given. And what it is, it's a 40 centimeter. Now this one is what? 40 centimeter complete length. That is what your DC. Now for calculating the inner value GH, what you need to do? You need to just subtract this value twice times, because what you are doing here is cutting 4 centimeter from each part. This one is 4 and this one is also 4. So I need to subtract to get the GH value. What? 4 minus 4 twice time. That's why I have written here 40 minus 2 into 4, and then you will get what? 32. Similarly, if you will just calculate the breadth of the rectangle, you have to do the same thing, right? The same thing is 20 minus twice times of 4, you will get 20 minus it, that is equal to 12. Now let's do the calculation further. Rectangular sheet L is equal to 40 centimeter, and while the breadth is B is equal to 20 centimeter. These are the dimension of the sheet, those are given. Now external length is equal to 32. As I already told you how you can calculate this external thing. Okay, and then the external 32 value, or you can say that 32, I should say what? Internal, not external, okay? It's internal. Internal length is 32 and breadth is internal is 12 only. Calculate the A1 area. A1 area is nothing but the area of the ABCD. So this one is L into B. Now put the respective value. That's 40 into 20. You will get 2 8 4. 4 2 is what? 8, and then you will get what? 800 centimeter square. Fine. Now let's calculate the area of the A2 part. Here I am doing this. A2 is equal to, again, length into breadth, and this time the area of the EFGH that we are calculating. So 32 multiplied by 12, when you will calculate, you will get 384. That is also in centimeter square. So what we have? Inner side area we have, outer side area also we have. Now we can calculate the area of the strip. How? By subtracting it. Area of remaining part. Remaining part or remaining sheet is equal to nothing but the internal area of paper is equal to A1 minus A2, and it is equal to 800 minus 384. So after subtracting this value, you will get 416 centimeter square. So this is how you can calculate the area of the remaining part, by subtracting these two values. This is what? This is the area of the shaded portion actually. Clear? This is all about in this question. Now let's move for the next question. The next question is question number 31. In this question, find the area of the shaded portion in the adjoining rectangle name as ABCD. So as you can see, here is a figure that is given in which you need to calculate the area of the shaded portion. So this one is my shaded portion, and the values are also given. As you can see that the length of the rectangle and this one is the breadth of the rectangular. So first of all, now let's write the value of the length and breadth of it. Solution: length of the rectangle, what name it is? It's ABCD, right? So it is what? 10 plus 4, that is 14 centimeter. Similarly, length, breadth of the rectangle, this one is equal to, as you can see, this one is the breadth. This value 3 plus 5 you will get breadth of the rectangle. 3 plus 5, that is equal to 8 centimeter. Now as you can see, the figure in which we need to calculate the area is very different shape. It's not rectangle, it's not a triangle. So how we will calculate the area of this shaded portion? By removing rest of the rectangle from this thing. From this rectangle we have to remove all, or we can just subtract all the area of the triangle. If we will just remove all the area of the triangle, then we will get what? The area of the shaded portion. Now let's do this. I am taking this as a A1 is equal to 14 into 8, and that is the bigger rectangle actually. 14 into 8, that is equal to 112 centimeter square. Now let's find the area of the different triangles. Those are given here. I am taking now A2, and as you can see, this A2 is nothing but this triangle. Okay. Now as you can see, this triangle, the breadth of this is 12 and the length is 5, and it is what? It is the area of rectangle, and as we know, area of rectangle is equal to half base into height. Half value and base is given 12 and height is what? 5. Now let's solve this. 30 centimeter square. Now further calculate the area of the second triangle, and that is the smaller one, this one. Okay. So again I am writing area of triangle. It's not rectangle, it's triangle, students. As you can see, I have applied the formula of triangle, not the rectangle. Area of triangle is equal to half base into height. And the base of this question is I am taking as a 4 and height is 3. So half 4 into 3. After solving this, you will get 2 into 3, and that is equal to 6 centimeter square. Now let's calculate the area of this portion, and the name of this I am taking as a A4. Area of triangle, half base into height is equal to half, and the base is what? It is given, base is 10 centimeter, right? So 10 centimeter multiplied by 6, 2 5 are 10, 30 centimeter square. So in this way you can calculate A1, A2, A3, A4. We have all calculated all the parts of this given figure. Now we need to calculate the area of the shaded region. As you can see, if you calculate the complete area of the rectangle and then remove or subtract all the triangles from it, then you will get what? This area. Area of this shaded portion. Now I am writing area of the shaded region. Area of the shaded region is nothing but what? A1 minus A2 minus A3 minus A4. Now let's put their respective value. A1 was what? 30 centimeter. No, it's 112 centimeter. So 112 centimeter square minus 30 centimeter square, and further A3 value is what? 6 centimeter. So 6 centimeter square and then minus 30 centimeter square. After just solving it, you will get the area is 112 minus, finally it will be equal to 46 centimeter square. So that's all about this question. So as you can see in this question, it was only you must know the area of the rectangle, and the shaded portion it have no particular shape, and then there is nothing given about the length or breadth of this shaded value. So that's why we need to calculate the area of ABCD triangle, rectangle, and then just subtract all the three triangles area, then you will get the desired result or the desired answer of this particular question. Now let's move to the next question. Okay, now let's move next question. Question number is 32. In this question it is given, find the altitude of a triangle if area of the triangle and with the base x is equal to area of the square. So here what relationship is given, that the area of the square and area of the rectangle is equal. Now let's find this. Solution. Area of square as we know is what? Side into side or side square, and area of triangle is equal to half base into height. As it is already given in the question that both are equal in value, so now let's equate them. Area of square is equal to area of triangle. Area of square, side value is already given, that x square, and half value of base b into h, and that is given what? X into 2x. Question number 32. In this question it is given, find the altitude of a triangle if area of triangle with the base x is given and it is equal to the area of the square with the side x. So as you can see that the base of the triangle is x and the side of the square is also x. Now let's solve this. Area of square with base x is equal to side square, and your side is what? X. So it will be what? X square. Now let's area of triangle with base x, and that will be equal to half base into height. Base is already given x, and height we need to calculate. Now let's equate them. Area of square is equal to area of triangle. It will be equal to x square, half value of x is x and this one is h. Now x square divided by x value and multiplied by 2, you will get value of h. As we know, this h is multiplying with x and half of the value. After transposing it, you have to do what? This value is in a multiplication, so we need to divide it. Now let's solve this further. So x equal to 2x. So this is your required value. The altitude of the given triangle is nothing but 2x. Now students, note down the homework. Your homework is do question number 33 to 36. One more thing, student, if you have any kind of issue and any kind of problem and query, you can just ask it to the comment section of the particular app that we have already. Okay.